sect of people are served. And along with that, there was another project. It was called Images and Voices of Hope, because many people are disheartened, sorrow. For small, small things, they lose hope, become hopeless. They listen to news, they see the news, like look at the fire that's happening in Los Angeles. When you see some of them feel fair, they have disinterest, they feel sorrow, they feel negative. This was Images and Voices of Hope. This program was just for journalists or those who are connected and related to the media. So we wanted to share with them that show images, what is necessary. We definitely voice, definitely share your voice. But if when you share something either prior to or after, which doesn't dishearten the people, because they would say, there used to be a lot of journalists. We have been listening to a lot of news, and our stage also fluctuates up, and later on, after a long time, they're not unable to work because the news of these days is that way. So, Call of Time, Dadi Janki was really wanted us to do something for that group. And in London, there is Oxford Center Retreat, which is called Global Retreat Center, GRC. It's very, very nice. And they thought we should do something over there. So in the month of May, I remember when we did the first one, the very handful people, about 10 or 12, and we were about 8 or 10, because it's a huge team who does the preparation. I would go from here, Judy Pan and Sister Gayatri, Sister Rita from Boston. So 4 or 5 of us would go from here, from United States. So the very famous author, Peter Senge, is from Boston as well. He's a professor, I think. He and Sister Jayanti would have a dialogue conversation. I would do a morning session, and they would sit in a dialogue. And Dadi Janki, around 9 or 10 o'clock, she would come and she would share. So in the morning session, we would share about soul, Supreme Soul, meditation, and about karma. These were the 3-4 lessons that we had. And the topics that were there, we would share on those topics. Then we had dialogue. And everyone would share on that topic. In the evening, we would have meditation. One day, we would have silence, a day of silence, which they really enjoyed. So we used to have Call of Time. We had Images and Voices of Hope. That also started to happen on a regular basis. And then Peace Village came into existence. So many who were not able to go to Peace Village, so they said, okay, we'll come to Peace Village. It's much easier. So we started it over here as well. So these 2 programs continued. And you know, Call of Time still continues. But Images and Voices of Hope, many, the outside group of people came, many group people came, joined this. So there is a lot of work and we need a team. So they adopted this and they call it as a peace war. And they continued. And Sister Judy Rogers and Meredith from Miami, who already works in the television, they support. But we are not doing at this moment. But Call of Time still continues. And those who are seasoned or old in this field, we organize silent retreat, and those who are new, we have a dialogue with them.
गायत्री बहन 1-2 साल से इंडोनेशिया में हो रहा है.
So couple of 1 or 2 years call of time has been happening in Indonesia. So Sister Gayatri has been going and has been involved. So from Caribbean, from South America and Argentina, many people participate.
अच्छा लगता है उनको 5 दिन
And
का
it's
होता है.
nice. It's a retreat for 5 days. The environment of Peace Village in London, construction was going on, but now they're going to have, in this year, they're going to have it in the month of May. Silence dialogue. It's a dialogue, but it's a silence on, it's a dialogue on silence. So that's how that's going on now.
Thank you, Didi.
Thank you very much, Didi.
ये बाबा की सेवाओं का विस्तार
So this was the expansion of Baba's service, how it happened in the Western country and also in this Bharat. So it had been going on. We have so we started your service from Guyana, and then so many centers in different countries, even in Bharat, the expansion has taken place. The yajna also has expanded to such a great extent.
एक और बात, जैसे कहते हैं कि सेवाओं में भी कई प्रकार के विघ्न आते हैं.
So they say, there are a lot of obstacles come in the yajna as well, and they come to teach us something good. You have shared a lot of incidents with us. We've also heard that from a very young age, you got a lot of papers of your physical body as well. Even at the time of Sakar Baba in 1971, in 1991, you had a very big paper. And even after that, you have passed many test paper. So in the Brahmin family, this is a very big paper. If you have any inspiration, when you were, when your journey of test papers from physical body started, how did you cross them? We'll listen to your story further later on, but especially in the 1990s, whatever test paper that you crossed, do give us and share with us about them so we can take inspiration. The support that we get from Baba regarding our, especially when we are crossing test papers, settling our accounts, it feels like a small thorn instead of the gallows. Like how Dadi Janki would give us so much inspiration, though her own physical body would go through so much upheaval. She was a conqueror of elements. She's also a conqueror of the negativity. But in the mind, she would not have fluctuation. She would say, what does Maya do? Maya do? She'll make you weakened. She will instill fear in you. So I have seen that whenever something came, any test paper came, whether it was for surgery, whatever treatment it was, internally, not that much I thought, but even when it was a physical test paper, so how much pain I should have, I would not feel that much. So I would always cross everything in such a way. Then I would tell Baba, and nothing happened. This is nothing. Even till today, it keeps coming and it's still going. I'm going through. But how Baba changes gallows into a small thorn. When you get pricked by a small thorn, you just take it away. So once we have the realization that if anything happens to the physical, don't personalize it. Don't take, oh, I have this, I have that. So there are two types of people. One who describe it, descriptive. If there is any pain, and I would be. So all these people's thoughts that will go on, there's no necessary. So I would
और
not
कोई
tell
तो
them.
अपना स्टेप बाय स्टेप
And
कि भैया
some
वहाँ
they
पे नहीं होगा,
talked, but every
और
step this
दूसरे
happened and
लोग
this happened and this
बिल्कुल
happened.
चले,
So why should so
ये
many people's thought run on them?
साइकिल भी नहीं चलते,
So we shouldn't waste
फिर
anyone's
हमेशा
thoughts nor our
बाबा की
own
मदद
thoughts.
होती है।
And then you will constantly feel
तो
Baba's
दादी जान की सबकी
support,
वरदान तो
help,
मिलते ही रहते थे।
Dadi Janki, and everyone's
सिर्फ
blessings you
एक
definitely
होता था कि
receive.
ट्रैवल नहीं कर
Only
पाते
one
थे,
thing
ज़्यादा
that
समय
used to
नहीं
happen
मिलता,
was that I was
वो
not
अच्छा
able to
लगता।
travel because
हर
initially I used to
साल
travel
साउथ अमेरिका के हर
every
देश
year.
जाते
I
थे।
would go to South
तो ये भी
America.
बताएंगे बाद में कि कैरेबियन
Tell you
में भी
later,
उस समय
in the Caribbean,
11-12 आइलैंड में
10 to
पहले 4
12
थे,
islands. First
11-12
it was
आइलैंड में
4, and then
सेवा होती है
11 to
उसमें
12
हिमलता बहन
countries
संचालन करती
service happen.
कोऑर्डिनेटर है।
And Hemlata Ben
तो
is
मैं
the
तो सब
coordinator and
दादी
takes
जान की
care of
हमेशा
it.
हमको कहती थी
Dadi Janki
कि
always
दुआएं,
shared
दवा और योग बल,
medicine, blessings,
और
and
फिर
the power of yoga.
समर्पण
These 3
करना
things. And if
कि मैं
you have
अपने लिए तो नहीं
surrendered,
जी रही,
I'm not living for my own sake.
बाबा की सेवा है,
It is Baba's
तो
service.
सबकी दुआओं से सब सहज हो
And with the
जाता है।
blessing of everyone, everything becomes easy.
बाबा ने फिर दादी जान की जब अव्यक्त हुई
And when Dadi Janki became
तो
Avyakt,
हम सभी ने, दादी को चिट चैट बहुत पसंद थी,
Dadi
आप
really
उठ के
liked chit
बाद उठ
chat.
के जाने लगो, बैठो
And if
बैठो,
you get up, if you just get up
थोड़ी
after
देर काम
meditation to
कर
go,
लो।
she says, sit, 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 let's
फिर
have a
दादी
little
का जो विचार
conversation.
सागर मंथन
And
चलता
then
था
Dadi would have a lot of
तो
churning.
वो सबसे शेयर करती थी।
So she would share with
अभी
everyone.
हमारे पास अव्यक्ति भवन में
In the
बाबा
Avyakti
का
Bhavan,
कमरा ऊपर है, तो पहले तो दादी चली जाती थी ऊपर,
initially,
एक दिन
Baba's,
ऐसा आया
Baba's
कि
room is in the
सीढ़ियों से
second
ऊपर
floor.
जा रही है,
And initially she
तो
would
दादी
go,
कहने
but
लगी
later
जहाँ
on
मैं
she would not
बैठी हूँ ये बड़ा
she would not
लिविंग
climb
रूम
up.
है,
So it's a living room. I'm
तो
sitting
बाबा
here.
का कमरा बना
Make
दिया, यही
Baba's
लिविंग
room
रूम है।
here and let
हमने
me
कहा
sit
ठीक है,
here.
तो हमने एक
We said,
अच्छा
okay. We made
बाबा
a
का
nice
चित्र
Baba's
लगा दिया,
picture there.
और दादी और हम
And
सभी शाम
Dadi and
को
all of us
यहाँ
would
पे
sit here
मेडिटेशन
and
करते
meditate.
थे। अमृत वेला भी होने लग गया,
Amrit
पहले
Vela
दादी
also happened
हारमोनी हाउस
here.
जाती थी, फिर
Initially,
यहाँ
Dadi would go
करती
to
थी,
Harmony
फिर
House,
इस
then she
कमरे
would
में,
do
तो
here in
जैसे
this
ये
room.
कमरा
Next of
दादी ने कहा
this
बाबा
room,
का कमरा है,
she said, this is Baba's
तो
room.
जब दादी अव्यक्त हुई 13वां
And
दिन
when
का
Dadi
भोग
became
लगाया,
Avyakt, when we offered the 13-day bhog,
तो फिर हमने कहा कि चलो रोज रात को बैठो, यहाँ योग तो करते ही हैं,
so let's
15
all sit
मिनट के
here
हम
every
चिट
day
चैट
and
करेंगे,
for 15
मुरली
minutes,
पर
let's have a
जो
churning
भी
based on the
अनुभव हो वो
Murli or any
योग में।
experience, any
और अब तो
meditation.
5 साल होने वाले हैं आज
Now it is
मार्च
about
में,
5
आज
years in the
दीदी
month of March.
2000 के साल बहुत ही
In the
जैसे
year
विश्व भर
2000,
में
in the
2000 के बाद
entire
से
year,
काफी
in the
चर्चा
entire
होती
world,
थी,
there was a lot of
खास
discussion
करके
which was
कंप्यूटर और
gone,
उसके
especially
कारण।
regarding the
तो
computer, Y2K
यज्ञ में
especially.
भी क्या
So even in the
उस
Yajna,
समय कोई बातें हुई या कुछ पुरुषार्थ के लिए कुछ नया सोचा या
did you all think anything
क्या
new for
वातावरण था
effort?
उस
Or what
समय
happened in the
2000
Yajna?
में?
What was the
क्योंकि
atmosphere,
आपने
especially in the year
सुनाया
of 2000?
1999 में
You
क्योंकि
shared in
village
the
हुआ था,
1999, Baba's Peace
आपने
Village
उस
was
समय
born.
ही एक बहुत
And
बड़ा
before
पेपर पास
that,
किया था
you
पीस
had
शेड्यूल
passed
का
a
भी,
big
और
paper
फिर पीस
regarding your
विलेज का भी
physical
निर्माण
body.
हुआ,
And
और
then
फिर
Peace Village
2000 के
came into
साल
existence. And
जो
in 2000,
सारे विश्व
Y2K बोलते थे,
they used to call it as
सब
Y2K,
बंद हो जाएंगे
that
कंप्यूटर।
all your computers would be shut
देखिए
down and
दो
it would
चीजें
won't work.
होती हैं,
The two things
जब
that
कोई भी
happens
ऐसी भविष्यवाणी होती
when
है
anybody
तो योग
predicts
बढ़ाओ, योग
that
बढ़ते,
time,
सबके ऊपर
increase
पाजिटिव का
your
ज्यादा इफेक्ट आता है,
yoga,
जो होता है
more
उसका भी
focus
होता
on
है,
the self.
वातावरण ऐसा बन जाता
But
है,
you have to the
योग बल बढ़ाओ
atmosphere.
और दूसरा जितनी जल्दी
So
जो
do
सेवा कर सको
increase
करो।
your
हर बार ऐसे ही
power
होता
of
है कि
yoga
ये
so
संकल्प होता है
much, and whatever
कि सेवा
service you
की
can do
स्पीड
to it.
बढ़ाओ
So one,
और अपनी
increase the speed of
एनर्जी अपने को
service, and then
संतुलित
for
रखो।
self
तो
progress and
इस
to
तरह से टाइम टू टाइम, जैसे बाबा कहता था ना ये रिहर्सल है, दोनों तरह की
Baba
रिहर्सल
would
है,
say this is
सबके
rehearsal on
लिए
both the
तो नहीं
sides.
होंगे सब साधन,
So you will
क्योंकि
not get
उन्होंने
all the
साधना की
resources.
होगी,
So the ones
तो
who
वो
have
ऐसे
done
करेंगे, जिन्होंने
spiritual
नहीं किया
endeavor,
वो
sadhana,
बेचारे बैठे ही
those
कंप्यूटर
who
के
are
आगे हैं,
those who are always
उनके
sitting
लिए
in
तो
front
बहुत
of the
डिफिकल्ट है,
computer, it's
बहुत
going to
मिस
be
करेंगे।
very difficult. They will miss it.
दीदी 2000 में
In 2000,
आपको तो शायद याद नहीं होगा,
you might
पर
not remember.
मेरे लिए बहुत ही खास ईयर था।
It was a very
आपको
special
मैं
year for
थोड़ा सा
me.
सुनाती हूँ।
I will share a little bit too.
2000 के साल
In the year
हम
2000,
सबसे पहली बार न्यूयॉर्क में आए थे
2000 में
2000
in
में,
the year
और
2000,
आपसे
first
हमारा
time I came to
पहली
New
बार
York,
मुलाकात हुआ।
I met you for the first time.
मुझे पहली मुलाकात तो इतना याद नहीं है,
I
मैं
don't
सिर्फ
remember
उन्नीस
the
साल की
first
थी।
meeting. I was just 8,
और
19
मुझे
years of
जो
age at that
याद
time.
है मैं आपको
What I
सुनाती हूँ।
remember, and I'll share that with you.
2001 में
In
मैं
2001,
पीस विलेज आई थी अपने परिवार के साथ,
I had come to Peace Village
और
with my
मैंने
entire
आपको
family.
स्टेज पर मुरली सुनाते हुए देखा
I
था।
saw you
वो छवि
reading,
फिर से जुड़ती
sharing
है।
Murli
मैं
in Peace Village, and that
ऐसे
image I can
दिख
never
रहा था जैसे
forget.
एकदम कोई महाराजा अथॉरिटी
I
की
saw
तरह
you that
बैठा हो,
somebody with an authority
एक
or
तरह से
as a
मुझे आप
king
लगे।
was
और वो
sitting.
मैं
That's
हमेशा
the
अपने
image. I
स्मृति
can
में
never
रखती
forget
हूँ वो
that.
छवि।
I always keep
शायद
that
आपकी तरफ
image
से तो
in my
आपको याद नहीं
awareness.
होगा,
I'm sure you will
मेरी
not
तरफ
remember
से
this,
वो मेरी
but for
मुलाकात आपके
me,
साथ
that was
वो
my
मेरे तो
first kind of a
भाग्य
meeting
की
that
है
memorable, and my
कि हमारे
fortune
जीवन
definitely
में
opened.
आपका या
That in my
मेरा
life you
पार्ट
came.
आपके साथ खुला।
So my
और वो
part
एक
started
कट ऑफ
with you.
मोमेंट था, क्योंकि वो तो
That
सिर्फ
was my
मुलाकात ही
first.
थी,
That was just a
बाद
first
में
meeting.
रहना तो बाद में हुआ।
I started to
मेरे लिए
live
तो
later
2000
on.
साल और 2001 बहुत ही
2000 and
इम्पोर्टेंट ईयर था।
2001 is a very important
मैं
year
आपको
for me.
सिर्फ ये बताना चाहती थी।
I just wanted to
और
share
फिर
that.
2001 जो दो बड़े प्रकरण हुए थे सारी दुनिया में, एक तो ये था
There were two things
2001
that
में
happened
बड़ा
in
सा भूचाल आया
2001.
था
There was a
गुजरात
big earthquake in
भुज में,
Gujarat, in
और
Bhuj.
दूसरा
And
9/11
secondly,
जो
was
अमेरिका के लिए
9/11
बहुत
and
बड़ी
the Twin Tower. It was on the
2001 में।
same year in
तो ये
2001.
दो घटनाएं
The
बहुत
two
बड़ी घटनाएं हैं
incidents
सारे
were
विश्व
big
में,
incidents for the
तो
entire
उसके
world,
लिए खास करके न्यूयॉर्क का वो
especially the one
अनुभव
at the New York.
आपसे
That
सुनना चाहूंगी।
experience we want to hear from you.
या आतंकवादियों का प्लान बहुत समय से बना हुआ था।
It was a plan of the terrorists for a very long time.
अमेरिका का उसने उस दिन अपनी माँ को
So
फोन
a
करके
person
कहा
from Saudi
आज
America
दुनिया में
was
सबसे बड़ी कोई
instrumental,
घटना होने वाली है।
and he called his
उसने
mother
ये
and
नहीं
said there's going
बताया
to be
कि
a
क्या
very
प्लान
big incident in the entire world, and
आश्चर्य
he
हो
never
रहा था
told
कि
her
इन्होंने
what the
कैसे
plan was,
अपने लोगों को कॉलेज में भेजा प्लेन
how they
चलाने
send
की
their
ट्रेनिंग
people
यहाँ
to
पर
the
ही तीन
college to
साल
learn
में
how to learn to
किस
fly a
तरह से
plane,
4 जगह पर
and how in 4
पेंटागन
places,
वाइट
the
हाउस
Pentagon, White House,
इधर
and the
2
Twin
प्लान किए थे
Tower,
4 प्लान किए थे
how they had planned 4
और उन्होंने कैसे
simultaneous plan
अपना बॉस्टन जिन एयरपोर्ट से
from whichever
अपने लोग
airport they
भेजे
got
तो
in.
मैं उन दिनों में बहुत टूर करती थी और जैसे
Those
मैंने
days I used to
बताया कि
travel a
सभी
lot.
कहते थे कि
As
सिर्फ
I said,
आपके रीजन में क्यों सारे वर्ल्ड में तो मैं
why
मलेशिया
should
गई
it be only in your region? You
इंडोनेशिया
should go to
मलेशिया
other places. I went to go to Indonesia and
सिंगापुर ये 3
Malaysia,
कंट्री
Singapore,
घूमी थी
3-4 countries I
तो
was touring.
उस दिन मॉर्निंग में रात
On
की
that
फ्लाइट
day
थी बहुत
morning,
लंबी
it was a
फ्लाइट है
night
अमृतसर
flight from Malaysia. It was a
1914 में
long
थी वो
flight.
फ्लाइट
I think it's about 14,
कभी
15
कभी
years
दुबई से आती
hours
थी
flight.
कभी डायरेक्ट
Sometimes we would come via Dubai and sometimes
तो
it would be
हम
a
लोग
direct
लैंड
flight.
हुए तो
So we
हमने देखा
landed,
एयरपोर्ट खाली है जैसे
said I saw the
लेकिन
airport to
सवेरे
be
का टाइम
empty.
था 6-7 बजे
It was early
तो
morning,
अपने
about 6 or
लोग
7
उतने
o'clock.
लैंड नहीं करते होंगे तो
Just as maybe people are
अपने
not
स्नेहबन
landing.
है सतीश भाई और
So Satish Pai
स्नेहबन दोनों आए
and
थे मुझे
Sneban, they were
एयरपोर्ट
the
लेने
couple. They had come to the airport to pick me
तो
up.
जल्दी जल्दी बैठिए
And they
और
said,
ऐसे
quickly sit in the car.
एयर क्रैश हुआ है तब तक ये नहीं
And
पता था
air
ये अटैक
crash
है
has happened. We never
एयर
knew till
क्रैश
then
हुआ
that
है
it was an
थोड़ा
attack.
जल्दी
So
जल्दी
air
बैठिए
crash has happened.
और
Let's
जब तक
quickly
हमने
move from
सामान
here.
रखा चले
And by the time we loaded the
सब
car and we
न्यूयॉर्क की
started,
ब्रिजेस बंद हो
the
गई थी सब
all
क्लोज
the
हो गया
bridges
था तो
um,
जा ही नहीं
of New York
सकते
are
हैं
closed, so we couldn't go anywhere.
स्नेह बहन ने फोन किया
And Sister Snesh
उनके कुछ
called
मित्र
few people
संबंधी थे क्या सब
to their
जॉब पे चले
relatives or
जाते
friends,
हैं
or
पर
no,
एक
everybody goes to
बहन
their job. And
वो
there was
बेबी
one,
सिटिंग करती थी
she was
उसने
doing
कहा आ
babysitting.
जाओ मेरे
And she
पास
said, come to my home.
तो नहीं तो होटल में जाते कहीं
Otherwise, we had
जाते
to go to a
लंच
hotel or
रेस्ट
somewhere
वगैरह
because we're resting
तो फिर हम उन
at
फ्रेंड के
lunch.
पास गए
So we
तो
went to
वहाँ
their
तो
friend's
जोर
home,
से हर कमरे में
and
टेलीविजन
then
तो
every
यही
room there
दिखाया
was a
तो जब
television, and this was being
दूसरा
shown.
अटैक हुआ ना
And when the
तब
second
ये बात
attack
चली कि ये
happened,
टेररिस्ट
then
अटैक है
it
पहले यही
was
था एयर
discussed
क्रैश है
that it was terrorist attack.
तो मैंने
Initially,
कहा
we thought it
ऐसे
was an
कैसे
air
हो सकता
crash.
है
Like
कि 2
how is
एयर
it
क्रैश
possible? that two
और
aircrafts
ऐसे
can
करके
crash.
तो हमारे राम प्रकाश भाई वहाँ काम करते थे।
Ram
तो हम
Prakash
सब
Bhai
खोजने
was
लगे कि
working on
वो
the
कहाँ
same
है
building.
भाई।
So
तो
where is that
टेलीफोन
brother?
वो कर नहीं सकता था,
So
सेल फोन
he
नहीं चल
couldn't
रहे थे।
call us because the cell phones
बहुत हिम्मत वाला
weren't
भाई है
working.
वो, और उमंग
He said
उसका।
he's very courageous and filled
तो
with zeal and
59
enthusiasm.
फ्लोर से वो धीरे
So from
धीरे
the 59th
कहते हैं
floor,
ना
he
कि आग
slowly came
बढ़ती गई,
down.
तो
The fire
एलिवेटर
just
मेल्ट
was
होने लगा,
increasing,
मतलब हर
and
एक
the
चीज
elevator
की
started to melt.
क्योंकि
Anything
आग
which was
बहुत
made
थी।
out of iron was
तो
started to
ये
melt
कहता
because
रहा
the
सब
fire was
सबको, तो
high.
पानी ऊपर से
So he
सब जगह
kept
से गिर रहा था।
the water was
तो
falling
सबको
from all
बोला
over
चलो चलो
the
चलो
sprinkler.
साथ में
He
चलते
kept
हैं, चलो।
saying that, come on,
ऐसे करके कई
let's go
माताएं
together
बहनें
down. And
उसमें
so
लेटी,
many mothers,
तो
many
सबको हेल्प
sisters,
करता हुआ
with
नीचे चला
helping
गया।
them all, they came down.
मैनहट्टन सेंटर तो अपने वहां से बहुत दूर नहीं है ना, वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर से, तो वो तो खैर वहां
Manhattan
चला
Center
गया।
is not
और
very far
फिर
from
उन लोगों
the
ने
World Trade
पानी
Center.
की
So he
बॉटल्स
went
दी
over
हैं,
there. So they
वहां
shared
तक
water
कि लोगों को
bottles and
गर्मी,
they, because
गर्मी थी और धुआं,
it was hot
आदमी का
also,
बेहोश हो
and
जाना।
also smoke of the fire.
तो ठीक है, वर्ल्ड न्यूज़ बनी,
So
लोगों
it
में
did
दो
become a
बातें
world
थी,
news.
लोगों में
There were two
क्रोध भी
things.
था
There was people were
और
angry. There was a lot of
दुख भी था
anger.
बहुत,
And on one side,
कैसे
there was a
कैसे
lot of
कर,
sadness. Like,
क्योंकि
how can
7-8
someone do
हज़ार
like
लोग,
this?
नहीं 2-3 हज़ार लोग तो
I
वहाँ
think
पर
1 or 2
मरे,
thousand people
क्योंकि जब
passed
ट्रक
away
लोग
during that
उतर रहे
attack.
थे ना तो जल जाते थे।
Because as they were coming down, they
बहुत
were
ही
getting burned.
अत्याचारी काइंड ऑफ ना,
So
हिंसक
it
बात है
was a
ना, कि
very
आप ऐसे
violent attack.
दो दो चीजें हैं, एक तो अमेरिका की शान थी,
So it
वो जो
was
दो
the
टावर थे
it was
ना,
the
ट्विन
pride
टावर,
of
बहुत
America, the Twin Towers,
था।
that was attacked.
कितने लोग काम करते थे,
And
हजारों
how many
ऑफिसर्स थे
people,
अंदर में।
thousands of
तो
officers,
जैसे कि
Pentagon, were working there.
ठीक है, मतलब फिर जैसे आगे तो चलता रहा। हमने हारमोनी हाउस में शाम का योग रख दिया
We kept
कि जो भी आना
meditation in
चाहे आए।
Harmony House. Whoever wants to come,
हम
to
लोग भी
come.
जाते थे कि जैसे 10, क्योंकि उस समय क्या था हारमोनी हाउस में, कम्युनिटी का बहुत था।
In Harmony
आते भी
House, there
थे,
was
हम
something
भी
about a
बुलाते
feeling
थे,
of community. They would come and we would also
मतलब
invite
कि
them
कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व करो।
to
उनको भी
involve the community.
हारमोनी हाउस के लिए बहुत भावना थी कि
They
ये
also had a lot of
वाला
feelings
स्थान
for
बहुत
Harmony
अच्छा है।
House, that this
हर तरह
place is
के
very
लोग
good.
आते थे,
All
रानी
kinds of
ये
people
वो,
would come.
और जो बाबा का चित्र है बड़े हॉल
And
में, तो
the
सब
Baba's
कहते थे ये
picture in
हमारा
the main
भगवान
hall,
है, ये हमारा,
they would always
मतलब
say, this is
भावना
our
एक
God.
तरह से
No, that kind,
वाइब्रेशन
even
बहुत आती
they
थी।
would get a lot of vibration even from the image or the
तो
picture.
फिर तो काफी समय चलता रहा।
So for a good
और
amount of
मुझे
time, the
याद है कि
conversation,
मैं
discussions about this went on.
इंडिया
I
जाना
remember
था
I
2009
had
में,
to go to India in the month of
गई तो
October.
भुज में दूसरी बार
So in Bhuj,
जैसे कि
in
भूचाल
Gujarat,
आ रहा था।
for the second time, there was an earthquake.
हाँ, मतलब कहने का कि भुज में
I mean,
एक
there
बार
was
नहीं
an
तो
earthquake.
जैसे 2-3 बार आने लगा ना, तो दादी प्रकाश मणि ने,
वो
So that
9/11 से पहले हुआ था।
या मतलब मैं जब भी इंडिया गई पहले गई, या
so she's saying it happened before
तो मुझे
9/11.
याद है
So
कि
she's like,
मैं
okay, whenever
दिल्ली
I
जब
went,
पहुंची, या
I
तो
reached
दादी
Delhi,
प्रकाश मणि ने
and
कहा
Dadi
कि
Prakash Mani said,
अभी तक भी मोदी
um,
भुज के बारे में, ब्रह्मा कुमारी में
even till today,
काफी अनाज
Prime
अनाज
Minister Modi
काफी
mentions about
मदद
it.
की उन्होंने उस समय
Dadi
पर भुज
Prakash
वालों
Mani
को,
sent a
और
lot of
लोगों ने भी
grains,
मुझे कहा
grocery,
कि कई
and lot of
संस्थाएं
things.
यहाँ की
So
कुछ देर
many
रात रही,
organizations came
कई
together and
संस्थाएं,
helped.
तो वो
Many
हम लोगों को सब
organizations
भेजती
came.
थी, तो मुझे भुज का
So they
सब
would
याद है।
send it
पर क्या
through
हुआ कि
us.
उसके
I
बाद
still
फिर
remember
दिल्ली
about
में भी
Bhuj.
थोड़े झटके आए,
After
क्योंकि
that, even
लोगों
the
ने
aftershocks
वहाँ
were also
एक
felt in
थैला
Delhi.
बना रखा था,
So everybody
उसमें
created an
2 बैग,
emergency bag which
अपना
had two
थोड़ा
pairs of
पैसा,
clothes of some
ये
amount
सब
of
थैले
money
में रहता था
was there
कि
in that
लड़ाई कुछ
bag.
होगा,
And if anything
और
happened, they
कोई
would
रात
just pick
को
up that bag
नाइट
and
ड्रेस
leave.
नहीं डालता था,
And nobody used to
सब
wear a
रेगुलर
night dress in the
क्लोथ्स
night.
होते
They
थे,
would
क्योंकि
wear
भागना
regular
पड़े,
clothes because if you
एक
have
तो
to get
कोई
up
भी
and
ढंग के
run,
हों और
so
थैला
you
भी
should have
उठाएं और बाहर
proper
निकल
clothes.
जाओ, जैसे ऐसे तैयार
So
थे
even the
कि अपना
bag
कुछ
is
है ही
ready.
नहीं है।
So nothing
जैसे
is
अभी तो
mine.
बेचारे ये लॉस एंजलिस में आग लग रही है, तो क्या
And
उठा,
now in Los Angeles, the fire is just expanding.
हर
What
एक
will
कोई तो नहीं
happen
चाहता ना आग लगे, घर का घर जल जाए,
if
पर
the
कई
entire
लोगों ने
house is
फिर
burnt away?
फटाफट
Nobody
अपने
wants it
पैक
like that.
करके
Some
रखा
of
था
them
कि चलो पहले
immediately, I
अपने
mean, they had
संबंधियों के
their
पास चले जाओ,
things
फिर
packed
दूर
up and they
चले
would
जाओ।
run to their relatives. Someone
तो
flew
फिर मैंने
far
फ़ोन
away.
की थी, तो
Mm.
या बड़ी घटनाएं थी दोनों में।
So these were two big incidents in that time period.
दीदी आपने वो आई थिंक कल या परसों आपने कहा था कि मैनहाटन के सेंटर की भी अपनी एक कहानी है।
So either
जो
last week or a
मैनहाटन में
couple
जो
of
सेंटर
episodes
है
ago, you had mentioned that even
तो वो
the
बहुत
Manhattan
बढ़िया
history
है।
has
ये
a
ऐसे
story
स्थान
of its
पर बाबा
own
का
because
स्थान है
the
जो वर्ल्ड
location
फेमस
where
वाला
Baba's
स्थान है
home is in Manhattan, which is a very
दर्शन
world
करने के
famous
लिए।
place,
और
and
बाबा ने
there to
कमाल
get
किया
Baba's
है
home, Baba
मैनहाटन
has
में
done a
बाबा का
magic
घर भी
over
है
there.
और
Baba's
ये
home is also
मैनहाटन
there.
में
Baba's
जो
UN
बाबा
office
वाला
is
जो
also
घर
there.
है उसके बारे में आप कुछ
So
सुनाना चाहती थी।
if you wanted to share a little bit about Baba's center in
मन में
Manhattan.
हमेशा ये होता था कि
In our
ठीक है
mind, we
क्वींस
always
में
had the
सेवा हो
thought
रही है,
that yes, Queens
परंतु
in
मैनहट्टन
Center
न्यूयॉर्क
service
का
is
सबसे
happening,
बड़ा स्थल
but
है,
Manhattan is
तो वहाँ
New
कुछ
York's
होना
very
चाहिए।
big place. We should
छोटा
have
सा
something
बना
there.
था
We had a very small
डाउनटाउन
place
में,
in
वो
at
भर जाता था,
downtown, and
जब
it used to get
40
full.
लोग आ जाते थे, जितना
30,
क्राउड
40
होता।
people would come and it would
तो
be
एक बार
filled.
गायत्री बहन कहने लगी
And
करना
once
है तो
Gayatri
कहीं
Ben said,
प्रोमिनेंट जगह पे करते,
if we
चलो
have to
वर्ल्ड
do,
ट्रेड
let's
सेंटर
do
पे।
in a
तो
prominent way.
वर्ल्ड
Let's
ट्रेड
go to
बिल्डिंग में
Empire State Building.
ऑफिसेज है ना, तो हम भी
There
एक
are a lot
ऑफिस
of
ले लेते हैं।
offices. Let's also get an
तो हम
office in the
गए,
Empire
तो
State
उन्होंने
Building.
एक कमरा हमने देखा,
So we saw one room
40-50 लोग बैठ सकते हैं,
where 30 to 40 people
इतने
could sit.
स्क्वायर फुट में इतना है,
So
तो
so
5,000 के
many.
करीब किराया बनता था।
So the rent was coming to
चलो कोई स्पॉन्सर
$5,000.
ढूंढेंगे कोई
I
ना
said,
कोई।
let's see if we get some
तो
sponsors.
कैसे बाबा, जब मैं न्यूयॉर्क में आई
So
तो
how
हमारे
Baba
अपने
works? When I came
बाबा
to
के
New
घर
York,
परिवार
there was one
जो सेंट थॉमस में
family
रहते थे,
who was Baba's
तो
family who was staying in St.
उन्होंने अपने
Thomas,
यहाँ पर एक फ्रेंड को बोला
and
कि
he
मोहिनी
said to
बहन
his
आएंगी,
friend
आप
that
थोड़ा
Moini Ben
उनको
is
दो चार
coming.
दिन हेल्प
So
करना।
whatever she needs,
तो
just help
वो
her
रियल
around.
एस्टेट भी था और
And he was a real estate
ट्रैवल
agent
एजेंट भी
as
था,
well,
दोनों
and
थे
also a
उसका
travel
जॉब।
agent. That was his job.
वो अभी भी भाई है जिसको
That brother is
आजकल
still
वो इंडिया
alive.
में ज़्यादा रहने लगा है, पर अंजनी उनको कभी कभी भोजन पे बुलाती
And
हैं।
Sister Anjali would call him to lunch occasionally.
सिंधी भाई है, नारी भाई
He's
है।
um, he's a Sindhi brother from the Sindhi
तो वो
community.
उनकी युगल
His wife
पहले आती थी या
would
कैसे,
initially come.
उसने
I
उसको
think she
बताया
would come,
भाई को कि
and she told
मैं
him
जहाँ
that
जाती हूँ वहाँ उनका
where I'm
मुखिया
going,
मोहिनी बहन है,
the head
तो
is
उनकी
Sister
बीवी।
Mohini.
तो
And
उसको
so
जैसे
he
कि
asked,
याद
which
आया
Mohini?
एकदम
So he
कि मैं
all
शुरू
of a
में जब
sudden
आई थी
remember
तो
that in the
मंदिर वालों
initial
ने
days,
भाई को बुलाया,
when she had
गाड़ी
come,
चाहिए, मतलब
whether
कुछ था
she
ही
needed
नहीं,
a
ऐसे था
car
कि
to
जैसे
travel
नॉर्मल था।
around or go and meet the
तो वो उसको
mandirs
कहता
pandits.
है
So he
लक्ष्मी
started to
आना
tell her
चाहिए,
name, his
मुझे
wife's
भी
name is
लेके
Lakshmi.
चलो ना वहाँ पर,
So he
मुझे
said,
तो
take
मैं
me
मोहिनी को
also.
जानता हूँ।
I know her.
तो
I
वो
know
यहाँ
Sister
आया
Moini.
ऐसे मिलने।
So he came here to meet me.
मैंने ऐसे ही कहा नारी भाई हम
I
मनहट्टन
said,
में
Anari Bhai,
जानते हैं
in
ना, तो
Manhattan, we
मनहट्टन
go
में
to
रहते हो,
Manhattan. You
हमें कोई
stay in
काम
Manhattan.
करो।
Um, can you find us a place
अच्छा,
to do service
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
there?
देखने में है, आप क्या समझते हो?
So we said
आप
we
कभी
found a
रियल
plot,
एस्टेट
and this
कितने
is
की हाइट है
this
क्या
is the
पहले
cost.
सब
You
जानते हैं।
work in the real estate. What do you
अरे
think?
हमें
Is
तो
this
उनको
correct
चाहिए,
or
मेरी ऑफिस खाली
more?
है कुछ सालों
You
से,
want something
मैंने
for
बहुत
you?
बड़ी ऑफिस
My
ली।
office is, I've taken a
तो हम
big
कुछ बोले तो
office,
आप आओ
and
देखो।
it is one
नहीं
of my
इतनी
offices
बुरी हालत
empty.
थी ना, जैसे
And when we
बहुत
went
पुराना,
to that office, it was such a bad
फर्श भी टूटा
condition.
हुआ है,
Everything was dilapidated. The
लेकिन
floor
अच्छा
was
था,
broken, but it was very
सेक्रेटरी
nice.
थी,
It was a high
एम्पायर
ceiling,
स्टेट बिल्डिंग
and
से
it was right
2
next to the
ब्लॉक्स था।
Empire. No, 1 or 2 blocks away from the Empire
तो
State
मैंने कहा
Building.
भाई हम
I know,
कुछ तो
so
नहीं
I
दे
said,
सकते,
we can't give anything else.
कोई बात नहीं है, आप जितना दे
Um,
सकते हो।
so he
तो
said,
फिर
whatever you
ऐसे
can give.
3500 3,000 के करीब
So we
उसके
had
पास।
about 3,000.
तो महेंद्र भाई को बुला
So
करके,
we called
उन
Brother
दिनों में
Mahendra,
रिक भाई थे,
and those days Brother
तो
Rick also
गायत्री
was
ने
there,
हर
and Sister
एक एक
Gayatri.
चीज जो वहाँ लगाई,
Whatever is being put up
मतलब
over there, each and
तो
everything.
बहुत ही देख करके बहुत था कि कुछ आर्ट
If
गैलरी बने,
we had a
मतलब
thought that we should
क्योंकि
have
इंडिया
like an
से
art
आके तो
gallery,
सब होता है ना
because we
म्यूजियम
come
बना।
from India, so we thought had that
तो
interest,
आप लोग
that we should
देखिए
do
अभी नहीं
this.
है, पहले बहुत
So
सुंदर
now it is not there, but
वहाँ एक
initially
छोटा
it
सा
used to be
म्यूजियम
there.
भी था
A
जिसमें
small museum was created, a
समय
beautiful
का,
museum. It's about
कर्मों की
time,
गति का,
about
अभी
karmas.
भी है। अच्छा,
They still have those
तो
remnants over
मतलब
there.
कि हमने काफी पैसा लगा करके और
We
तो
put in
जब
a
हम
lot of
sign कर
money
रहे
and we
थे
got, when we were about to
तो उसमें
sign
ये
the
लिखा था
contract,
कि
it
हम
was written
ये
that
किराए को लेंगे with
will
option to
be
buy।
we will take this on
क्योंकि
rent with an
बाबा ने
option
मुझे
to
ये
buy.
कहा
Because
कि
Baba
देखो
had
जो
told
स्थान
me,
आप लेते हो उसको ठीक नहीं
whatever
कराएंगे,
place
क्योंकि
you
ब्राह्मणों
take,
को
you're going to
तो
fix it
सब
anyway.
अच्छा चाहिए,
So because the
खर्चा
Brahmins
भी
need
होगा
everything
आपका,
good,
अगर
there
तो
will
ऐसा
be
करो
some
तो
expenditure. And
नुकसान
if you
क्या
have to
होगा,
buy,
आपका जो खर्चा
and
किया है अगर आप लोग लेंगे
if
तो
you
वो
have
खर्चा
spent
सफल होगा।
money, and if you buy it, whatever expenditure you invested, it's
सेंटर
worth it.
बहुत ही सुंदर बना
And the center became
सिर्फ क्या
very
था कि ये तो
beautiful.
सेकंड फ्लोर था,
One, it was in the second floor,
लेकिन सिक्योरिटी वाला था, ये भी
but it
मतलब
was
कुछ
very secured.
एडवांटेजेस थे।
So there were a lot of advantages as well.
तो मतलब अभी तो देखो और
Now
देशों
you
के लोग
see
जब वहाँ
in
जॉब
other
करते हैं
countries
या
where they
काफी
work,
लोग जा
um,
पाते हैं ना वहाँ पर मैनहट्टन में,
Manhattan, they come to Manhattan because
उसके
of their
बाद देख
job
रहे
as
थे वो
well.
कुछ और ऐसा हो
Mhm.
या नीचे
And
का
then
फ्लोर था पर वो तो 7-8 हजार में था।
the ground floor was about 7 to
फिर कई बार एक
8,000.
बहन होती है, दो
And
होती
sometimes
है,
there's one
ऊपर से
sister,
वो सेफ्टी
sometimes
भी
two
होती है,
sisters. So
अलग
if
भी
they're in the second
सिक्योरिटी
floor,
नहीं
it's
है, डोरमैन बोलते हैं उसको।
there's doorman, there's security
तो
anyways.
कहाँ से कहाँ
So from
कि
where
उन्होंने
to
मैं ये बोल
where?
रही थी उस भाई को, राइट टाइम पर हम
At
ढूंढ
the
रहे हैं,
right
साइन कर
time,
रहे
we're
हैं,
searching, we're about to
तो
sign,
राइट टाइम पर आया कि
and
मेरे को
he
जाना
came at the
है।
right time, and that I
उसके
want
बाद
to
वो
go and meet
काफी
her,
जो भी सहयोग चाहिए
and whatever
कैसे
cooperation
भी
we
करे।
needed,
So ये
however we
ऑप्शन
wanted.
टू बाय वाला सिग्नेचर बहुत काम आया ना, क्योंकि
So this option to buy
कि
the
जब
the signature
बहुत
that you
सालों
did, it
बाद
came very
अभी आगे
handy,
बाबा
didn't
गए
it?
हुए हैं,
Because after many
नहीं तो
years,
फिर
we
हमने
bought the
किराया
property,
देते
right?
रहते थे,
So
तो
we
एक
kept
बार हमने
giving the
सोचा
rent,
कि
and once we thought,
डाउन पेमेंट कर देते हैं, फिर
so
हर
let's
महीने
do a
उतना ही
down
देते
payment,
रहेंगे।
and then
तो
we'll
कम से
keep
कम
giving
जो
that
मैं
much.
सबको कहती हूँ आप देते रहते हो किराया,
So instead of
वेस्ट
paying
जाता है
just
ना, तो
rent, it'll go
बेशक
waste. So
हर
instead of
महीने देते हो
paying
वो भी
rent,
बाबा का ही होता है,
whatever you
तो
give for
इसलिए
Baba,
हमको
it,
बाय करना चाहिए
so
था
it's better to
और
buy
ज़्यादा प्राइस
than
नहीं था
have
उस
something
टाइम
on the
पे,
rent. At those days, it
तो
wasn't
उसने
much of an
अपना
expenditure.
वायदा रखा क्योंकि
So he
लिखा
kept
था,
his promise because he had signed that
तो
contract.
हमने खरीद लिया।
So we
पापा
bought that
का
property,
हो गया।
and now it has becomes
खरीदने के
Baba's
लिए तो
property.
वो कहने लगा कि जब ये तो बहुत सस्ते में मैंने दे दिया है,
He
क्योंकि
said,
लिखा
when
था
I bought it, he said, oh, I gave it at
आपको
a
जब
very
बेचना हो
cheap
मुझे ही
price.
बेचना है,
So whenever you want
क्योंकि
to
ये तो
sell, you sell it
मल्टी-मिलियन
to
हो
me
जाते इसमें।
because I would get 2 to 3
लेकिन चलो
million
कोई
out
ना
of
हो
this.
गई, वो
But
उसने फिर
it's
मंदिर बनवाया
going for, well,
और
it's for
गंगेश्वर
server.
करके एक गुरु
He
था, वो आबू रोड में था,
in Abu Road there is a guru
तो
by
वो
name
सेंटर
Gangeshwar.
बना। तो
This
ऐसे करते
person's
करते
guru,
बड़ी
so he
भावना
builds temple. So there
हमारी
was that
निकली।
bhavna towards religious and
बाबा के
spiritual
हर
people.
स्थान की तो अपनी ही कहानी
Baba's
है।
every place has its
थैंक यू
own
दीदी।
history. Thank you very much,
तो
Didi, for this sharing.
यूएन का भी ऐसे ही हुआ,
Even UN was,
यूएन में भी
you can share this tomorrow, Didi.
स्थान बना, तो यूएन में भी अभी बड़ी ऑफिस है,
It's a very beautiful
मैनहट्टन में
office in
भी सेंटर
US,
है।
the center in
बहनें बेचारी
Manhattan,
कितने सालों तक
for
एक तो
sisters for
गृहस्थी जो
many,
दो
many
बहनें तीन
years.
बहनें जो
2
और उनके
sisters,
बच्चे
3
छोटे,
sisters in a very
तो
small
हमने कहा उन्हें
studio they
कुछ
would
रहने को
stay.
देना,
I
5,000 रुपए
thought we should
तो वही
definitely give
किराया था,
them.
पर राज
It
बहन
was
सब काम करती थी, वो
$5,000. The rent was,
यूएन थी
Raj Ben
फार्मेसी,
was working. She was a pharmacist and it was a good income.
सलोन कैटरिंग में अच्छी
At
जॉब
Salon
करती थी,
Catering,
तो
she
वही
was
थी, तो उसी
working.
का
And
था,
so it was
उसी में
her
रहती बहनें।
apartment. So the sisters would
तो
go and
जब
stay in
कोविड
her
हुआ ना, तो
apartment.
मैं एक
And
बार
when
बैठी
COVID
थी पीस
happened,
विलेज
I was
में,
sitting
तो
in
सभी
Peace
लोग
Village.
भाग रहे थे
Everybody was
मैनहट्टन, चलो
running to
चलो चलो,
Manhattan. So they were
तो मैंने
leaving
कहा मैं जाकर
Manhattan.
के
Let's
रहूंगी,
go a little
मैनहट्टन
further
में
away
बहुत
and
पैसा था,
stay because it was spreading. COVID was spreading
एकदम
too fast in Manhattan.
अपार्टमेंट्स की प्राइसेस नीचे आने लगी।
So the
मैंने हैरिस
apartment
से कहा
prices
कि ये
came
बहुत अच्छा
down.
टाइम है,
So I said,
कुछ
Brother
बाबा के
Eric,
लिए
this is
ले
a
लो,
very good time
जैसे 3-3
for
मिलियन के
shopping.
एक डेढ़ में ऐसे हाफ प्राइस में बिक रहे थे।
The prices were being sold at
ये
half
जो
a price.
नारी पोहानी है उसका लड़का ही रियल एस्टेट करता है, तो उसको हमने बोला कि मनु भाई आप थोड़ा ढूंढ के दो बाबा को
His
कुछ,
name is Manu
हम तब
Bhai,
तक
and they told him,
ऐसे
please
रहेंगे।
search something for the sisters.
एक
For how
थोड़ी सी
long
लंबी कहानी है,
can we stay
अच्छी
like this in
कहानी
the
है
studio? So it's a very
कि कैसे फिर बाबा
nice
को तीसरा बहुत अच्छा अपार्टमेंट जिसमें एक
So the third building in Manhattan,
ऐसे टाइम पर हमको याद आता है कैरल का ना, एक बहन
that
थी,
time it was
बहुत
Sister
अच्छी बड़ी
Carol,
बहन
who was a
थी।
very nice sister who was working in a very good job.
आपको सुनाएंगे अगली
We
बार
will share in the next episode about that
तो पहले बोलिए
story.
बाबा और
So what I
ड्रामा
mean to say is
सहयोग ना
Baba
हो
and drama, if
तो
they
आज
are
जो
not
हम
cooperate,
हैं
whatever we
आज
are, we won't not be
चाहे
there.
हम यहाँ बैठे
So
हैं,
if we
चाहे
are sitting
हरमन
here,
रहे,
if
चाहे
we're sitting in
कहीं
Harmony House or
इसलिए
in Manhattan, it's
क्या
because of
कमाल तो
Baba
बाबा की
and
है,
drama. It is his
सबका
magic for
सहयोग
sure,
मिला।
and it is everyone's cooperation.
थैंक यू
Om
दीदी।
Shanti. Thank you, Didi.
ओम शांति।